How to choose coffee for healthy benefits. A very popular method with producers as the fermentation process is controlled and leads to less defects. A natural processed coffee is a coffee that has been dried with the cherry still remaining on the bin and parchment throughout the drying process, allowing the fruit flesh and sugars to impart upon the seed. The result is often a fruit bomb with a spectacular aroma and wine-like characters. These are the two more common methods available, but many others exist, such as honey processed, somewhere between washed and natural, and wet hulled. The higher up you go, the more sweetness and better acid. This useful morsel of information helps inform us a little about growing conditions. Coffee growing altitude has a significant impact on the sweetness and acidity found in a particular cherry. Sugar is a valuable energy source for a coffee plant and, when it is faced with unfavorable conditions, will draw upon this resource in order to help it survive. Smart move for the coffee tree, less tasty for us. Coffee prefers average temperatures between 18°C, 23°C and, in order to maintain that while still getting enough rain, higher altitudes are often preferred. So what numbers should I look for? Anything growing above 1,500 meters above sea level is quite a high growing region, and will generally exhibit a refined sweetness and acidity. Remember those tasty Kenyan coffees we talked about earlier? While lower down at 1,000 1,250 the acidity is mellowed significantly and more earthy tones are found. Think Brazil or India. So there you go, folks. Next time you are looking to select a coffee to drink or buy to use at home, have a glance at the information that you are given and see what common characteristics turn up on the coffees you love to drink. It may help you to make better decisions ongoing when faced with a broad range of offerings, or hopefully will open you up to a new world of flavors you never thought possible in coffee. Make other lifestyle changes to reap maximum health benefits. While evidence shows that drinking up to 6 cups of coffee a day does not have adverse health effects for most populations, the health benefits of coffee are less clear. If you're trying to improve your health, you should turn your attention to other lifestyle factors. Focus on exercising more and eating a diet high in fruits and veggies. All coffees consist of Arabica or Robusta beans, or a combination. Arabica beans are more expensive and tend to make better coffee. And as with wine grapes, where the beans are grown makes a difference. Coffee is cultivated across the world in a belt generally bounded by the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. Brazil is the top coffee producer, followed by Vietnam, Indonesia, and Colombia. At Consumer Reports, we test the coffees that our readers are most likely to drink. We've tested Colombian because it comes from one of the most popular regions. We've also tested and tasted blends because they're the best-selling type of ground coffee. Blends contain beans from at least 2 regions or countries. We plan to test coffee from more regions, such as Kenyan, Kona, Jamaican Blue Mountain, and Sumatran. The tastes of coffee drinkers have become more discriminating in recent years, and coffee drinkers are demanding more flavor from the cup. Here are some things to remember when buying your beans. Consider how you take it. Excellent and very good coffees taste fine. Black milk and sugar can improve a mediocre coffee, but not even cream is likely to help the lowest scoring coffees. Choose a good coffee maker. The best coffee makers reach 195 degrees to 205 degrees Fahrenheit during brewing. The temperatures required to get the best from the beans and avoid a weak or bitter brew. Arabica and Robusta are the 2 main types of beans for all coffee. Robusta beans are less expensive and easier to grow. Arabica beans tend to make better coffee. Roasting is what turns green beans into coffee that is ready to grind and brew. The type of roast is often listed on the label. You may have to experiment before finding the one you prefer. And different brands may characterize their roasts differently. Here are the types of coffee to consider. Light roast. Light roasting produces beans that are light brown and have a more sour taste. Medium roast. Medium roast coffees have medium brown beans. The beans do not have an oily surface in this roast. The coffee beans can have a bright acidity, but specific varietal aromatics, for example floral, fruity, vegetable, berry, etc.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Check the description below and thank you so much for watching.